Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with another awesome video. We have a huge box in front of me. It's a mystery box guys, I'm not sure what's inside. Now this box was sent to me by this company called Zaap. I'm not sure what's inside. It is definitely big and weighs heavy. So let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this out of packing. Okay, let's open it and check it out. Oh. What is this? Oh guys, look at this! Zaap sent us an air purifier. Now that's really awesome. You've got the Zaap O2 air purifier branding here, a picture of the air purifier on the right. You've got some features written on the box. Let's check them out. This air purifier has an HEPA filter which captures 99% of the dust and all sorts of allergens. It also has a UVC light built in to kill airborne bacteria, viruses and also spores. Plus there's also a charcoal filter to reduce odors coming from pets while cooking or even smoking. So it's a 3-in-1 air purifier and comes in a compact 11-inch size. I'm really looking forward to check it out. On the side you've got a picture that shows the different filters present in it. It also has a filter change reminder dial that will remind you when to replace the filter. Let me show you the product specs. This air purifier runs on AC power source 220 to 240 volts at 50 Hz, has 3 levels of fan speeds. The company says it's suitable for rooms of sizes up to 118 square feet and also has UV light on-off control. The price on the box says 9,000 rupees, but it's available for around 3,500 rupees online. So that was our overview on the Zaap air purifier. Let's unbox it and check it out. Air purifiers are really useful, especially if you are living in areas with high traffic and pollution. These purifiers remove contaminants like dust, allergen particles, odor and give you fresh air to breathe. So on opening the box, we've got some documents at the top. You've got a user manual, a warranty card and a product catalog. Along with that, you also get 4 rubber foot pads for the purifier. Now let's check out the Zaap purifier. So here it is guys, let me take it out. Oh boy, it definitely feels heavy. Weighs around 1.9 kgs. There's nothing else in the box, only the purifier. So this is how it looks like. This air purifier is quite big in size. It's around 11 inches tall. I didn't expect it to be 11 inches by looking at the picture on the box. Alright, let's remove this outer cover. Looks like it comes with an attached mains cord that's not removable. So this is how the Zaap air purifier looks from the front. The build quality is good. The product weighs about 1.9 kgs. Now this purifier can be used in both horizontal and vertical positions based on your preference and space available. The front panel has a grill-like design and acts as an air outlet. The whole body is made of plastic. At the bottom you've got the Zaap logo. There's a knob over here to adjust the fan speed and a button below that to toggle the UV light. That's it, nothing much present here. We only have 2 controls. Even though the entire body is made of plastic, the finishing on it is really nice. It looks like brushed aluminum. At the bottom you've got some safety info regarding the product. Now let me show you the backside. So this is how the backside looks like. The back cover has a mesh-like design and acts as an air intake on the purifier. At the top right corner you have a filter reminder date wheel. You can set it manually so you don't forget when to replace the filter. Let me remove this back cover and show you the inside. It comes out very easily, and over here you have the filter set which includes a HEPA filter and a charcoal filter. As you can see, the replacement is quite easy guys. The company says that each filter set lasts about 6 to 8 months depending on your use. Also, if necessary, you can also clean both these filters manually with a brush for every 1 to 2 months. And not only the filters are replaceable, even the UV light bulb is replaceable on this purifier. The UV bulb is over here below this cover. You can use a screwdriver to open up the cover and replace the bulb if anything happens to it in future. So that was our overview on the design and the build quality. Now let's talk about the different filtrations this purifier does. The Zaap O2 purifier is a 3-in-1 air purifier. The tabletop tower design makes it perfect for small rooms either at home or office. The company says it's ideal for room sizes of up to 118 square feet. It's got 3 kinds of filtrations. One is a HEPA filter. The HEPA filter captures 90 to 99% of dust and allergens like debris, spores, plant pollens or even pet dander. It traps particles down to 0.7 microns in size. As a result, you'll breathe fresh air free of allergen particles. The second filter it's got is charcoal filter, also called as active carbon filter. Now this filter gets rid of odor or smell in your room coming from pets, cooking or even smoking. And the final filtration step is UVC light. The UV light kills the airborne bacteria and viruses. So that is how this purifier cleans the air in your room. Now let me put it in the plug and give you a demo. To turn on the purifier, you just need to rotate this knob. This knob lets you adjust the fan speed. You've got 3 fan speeds, low, medium and high. Right now it's in low mode. The low mode was not much effective, but it was really silent. You can use this mode when you don't want any disturbance from it. Now let's switch it to the medium speed mode. This mode was okay. It was like a balance between functionality and the fan noise. This mode is enough and works fine when used on your office desk. But if you want to purify your entire room, you have to put it on the max speed mode. I have been using this product for the past few days, and let me tell you, the purifier works well and does a good job cleaning the air. You can definitely feel the difference in 2 to 3 days after using it. I was feeling fresh and healthy in the morning, the allergic contaminants got reduced by a good deal, and also I have observed that there was quite less dust accumulating in my room. So yes, it was definitely doing its job. But in the max speed mode, the fan noise was high and easily audible if you sit close to it. The company should have done something about that. One more thing I'd like to tell is there was no visual indication on it. There were no LEDs, no display, nothing. The company should have actually provided some kind of visual indication, like an indicator to show that the purifier has done its job and the room is now clean. Something like that. So these were a few things they could have added to improve this purifier. Rest everything else works great. Also, you need to replace the combination filters once every 6 to 8 months. The filter set costs about 1000 rupees. So that was my video on the Zaap air purifier. It's a really good air purifier for the price. Generally, air purifiers cost about 6 to 7,000 and go beyond that. But if you're looking to buy one on a budget, you can definitely get this one. It costs only about 3,500 rupees. I'll just leave link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.